Hi guys, welcome to Thela Fashion. On today's video I'm going to be showing you how to draft and sew a kimono. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, leave a like, leave a comment down below, turn on your post notifications so you get notified each time I post. And let's just get right into this tutorial. So I have my fabric here with me and I folded it in four. I folded the width and then I folded the length. So these are the measurements we'll be using, and I've taken time out to make videos for them to simplify them. First one is the mid shoulder to wrist measurement. Then we have the sleeve circumference, the shoulder to bust length, the shoulder to waist length, the bust circumference, and the full length, which I didn't make a video of. But these are the measurements we'll be using, and let's just get right into drafting the pattern. So first measurement I'm putting down is the mid shoulder to wrist measurement. So I'll also be adding 1 inch seam allowance to it, and then I'm going to mark it out. I want the sleeve to be big, I want the sleeve to be wide. I'm going to take the normal sleeve circumference and multiply by 2 and add 1 inch seam allowance. Next I'm going to take the shoulder to bust length and I'll just mark that out, and I'll use it as a reference line to draw out the bust circumference. For the style I'm trying to achieve, I want the dress to be a bit big. That's why I multiplied the sleeve by 2. But for the bust, I'm going to take the bust circumference and add 15 inches to it. And then I'm going to divide it by 4. And whatever I get, I'll just place it there and also add my 1 inch seam allowance. The front and the back neckline is not supposed to be shaped the same, so I'm going to go ahead and reshape the front neckline, and I'm going to measure out 10 inches from what we have already measured out and form a triangular shape, a triangular neckline, and cut it out. I didn't measure 10 inches in this part, but I went ahead to correct it. So when you're cutting out yours, make sure to select 10 inches from the neckline you had already cut out. So for the attachment would be adding along the neckline and the split middle, I'm just going to measure out that area so I know the length. So I'm purposely using the parts of the fabric that's a different pattern from the rest of the fabric, just so it could bring out the style of the kimono. And I'm taking 6 inches as the width, and I'm going to take the length as whatever I measured previously. So on to sewing. First thing I'm doing is joining the attachment together because I couldn't get a full length. But if you get a full length of your measurements, that's fine, but I couldn't, so I'm just going to be joining them together. Next thing I am going to do is fold the attachment in two and just sew along the edge. So now we're going to go ahead to attach it to the neckline of the main piece, and I'm going to start from the bottom, the end of the dress, and just attach it throughout. So we have come to the end of this tutorial. If it was helpful, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, leave a like, leave a comment, turn on your post notifications so you get notified each time I post. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.